You might be spending $20 a month on ChatGPT Plus, when these 3 free tools do almost the same thing. In plain English, here's exactly what to use instead and why each one beats ChatGPT free. Number 1. Perplexity AI. If you use ChatGPT for research, switch immediately. It searches the web in real time and shows you exactly where it got every piece of information. ChatGPT free often can't do that. Number 2. Google Gemini. It's free, connected to Google's live search, and can even read your Gmail and calendar if you allow it. More powerful than most people realize, and it costs nothing. Number 3. Claude by Anthropic. The free tier gives you longer, more thoughtful conversations than ChatGPT free. It's especially strong for writing, analysis, and brainstorming, the things most people actually pay for. Try all 3 before you renew that subscription. You might not need to pay at all. Follow Bytebeard Tech. I test these tools so you don't have to.